Awesome, good job. All right, and we have another H, and we said this stands for hydrogen, right? Awesome. All right, so you are going to be one of our other hydrogens. Can you say, I'm hydrogen?
Hydrogen.
Awesome. Now we have our O. Do we have any idea what the O stands for? Oxygen, right. Oxygen, a fancy name for air, right? What we breathe. All right, so you, sir, are going to be our oxygen. Can you say, I'm oxygen?
I'm oxygen.
Awesome. So guys, there are 3 important things that we need to learn about our water molecules. The first one is that they love to stay in the shape of a circle. So can you guys hold hands and form a circle for me? You guys can come on down to on the red carpet. It's going to be easy. There we go. Awesome. So first things first, our water molecules love to form the shape of a circle. The second thing our water molecules like to do is they love to dance and party and boogie around. Can you guys dance around with me? Shake, 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 shake. Woo! Awesome. All right. Good job. So last but not least, the third thing that our water molecules like to do is they love to stick together. They love to party and dance together. So can you guys form one gigantic water molecule? All right, dance around, guys. Dance around. Awesome.